Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Do this now. Open the Firebolt app and sign in, then grant location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions so the app can communicate reliably with the watch. Pair the watch immediately. Make sure phone Bluetooth is on, and the watch has at least 10% battery so the process won't fail. Once paired, go to the watch settings and enable Find My Device or the location tracking toggle, because that authorizes the watch to respond when you use the location. Once done, open the Firebolt app and tap Devices, then select your paired watch. Choose Find or Ring to trigger the watch. Make sure you allow background location and precise location on Android or iOS so the app can report coordinates and show last seen on a map. If the watch fails to ring, go to Device Settings and force a sync, or check for firmware and app updates. Updates often fix connectivity bugs that prevent remote locate commands from reaching the watch. To finish, test the feature in a controlled spot and observe how quickly the watch responds and whether the app shows a last seen location. If it doesn't work, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, then try the Find command again. Make sure the watch has sufficient battery and is within Bluetooth range. If problems persist, recheck app permissions for background and precise location. Then repair the watch. This single troubleshooting step often resolves most connection and locate failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.